As I immerse myself in the embrace of nature, I am attuned to its soothing cadence. The rustle of leaves in the gentle breeze, the symphony of birdsong, and the dance of sunlight filtering through the foliage all weave together a tapestry of tranquility. In these moments, I find solace. And I'm reminded of the profound interconnectedness between myself and the natural world. With each step on the earth's carpet of grass, I absorb the grounding energy that emanates from the soil. The scent of blooming flowers envelops me. Awakening my senses and invoking a deep sense of appreciation for the beauty that surrounds me. As I pause to observe the ebb and flow of a meandering stream, I am reminded of life's continuous journey. In the embrace of nature's sanctuary, I draw motivation from the resilient spirit of the towering trees, weathering storms and standing tall. The rhythmic pulse of nature echoes within me. Inspiring a sense of purpose and determination. I am encouraged to face challenges with the same unwavering strength that nature exhibits in the face of adversity. Amidst the grandeur of mountains and the vastness of oceans, I cultivate a profound sense of gratitude. The intricate design of a single leaf, the intricacies of a delicate spider's web, and the brilliance of a sunset all serve as reminders of the intricate beauty that exists in every corner of the natural world. As I align my spirit with the essence of nature, I feel a profound sense of calmness washing over me. It is a calmness that transcends the chaos of everyday life. A serenity that emanates from the very core of the earth. In this calmness, I find rejuvenation, and my spirit is uplifted. I carry this connection with nature throughout my day. Drawing upon its reservoir of peace and inspiration. With each breath, I inhale the purity of the natural world. And with each exhale, I release any tension or negativity. I am a part of the great symphony of life. And I am grateful for the harmonious dance of nature that guides me on my journey.